Probably turn my fan off. Alright, let's go to YouTube. I feel like there was a base here. Did I steal their base? Is this just stone? Yeah, it's just stone. I don't want that. I don't need that. Dude, I need like a way to go faster. This is so slow. I want to go. Yeah, okay. Sorry if I wasn't ignoring you on YouTube, I promise. Sorry about that, buddy. Yeah, my YouTube wasn't open. So I got it open now. We're good. Alright, so I'm gonna keep my house very simple. Just because I'm not gonna stay here. Definitely not gonna stay here, but it's gonna have everything I need just to get this thing going. Let's put this stuff in here. Oh yeah, you can right click it now, right? Yeah, it's right clickable. Okay, what was I supposed to build next? Unlock the cloth outfit, technology to craft it in the prime workbench. Gonna do the same. To equip comet shield. It's right here. Hey, one fiber, bro. Okay, hold on. Let's build. I need 5 wood, bro. Wait, do I have to have it on me? I can't have it on my thing because I definitely have more than 45 wood, right? Do I have more than 45 wood? What? I have 43. I need literally two wood. Where's the closest wood to me? It's that one actually, right there, right? Literally that tree. Can I actually crack that one? I can't, can I? If this is what I can get crack, that'd be kind of cool. Nope. Wackadoodle. Oh man, I tell you what. Today's been kind of a weird day. I had a lot of fun. Which is not normal. I don't really have a lot of fun normally. It sounds bad. I don't go out much. I don't, I haven't been feeling well, so I just don't really go out too much. It's terrible to say that, but it's true. I don't have a lot of energy to go out and do stuff with everything that's going on with me, so, but I did today. Not for very long, of course, but put this somewhere over here. Looks pretty. Go Bill. Go get it, boys. Pretty sure that guy's... Didn't I get the sand? Oh, I need another bed, don't I? No, I don't need another bed if I have this one, do I? That's just for them eating. Wait, am I wrong? Hold on, let's go infrastructure. Food. Pal. Pal training. Farm. So I need another bed. I feel like the foxes don't do shit. This is kind of like horrible doing it this way. Like, why would I want to do this? Why would I want to do this? For stability. It's like 1, 1, 1. It just doesn't seem... I'll probably have to assign somebody to that, right? Deploy a pal to work at the base. Build a Palware workbench. Are these trees... Have they been here this whole time? That's embarrassing if the trees were there this whole time. Need more fiber. Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh, I was gonna build something. I need 2 cloth so I can make the bench. I feel like I gotta go kill him. I knew I had to grab him because he was like special. Oh, who's that little guy? Elkin deer? It's level 9 though, he looks pretty tough. Okay, what was I gonna do? I was trying to build something. Oh, all gear, and then I saw that I got distracted by the shiny. Build berry plantation. Oh, I gotta get the one guy out. I got one out. Where's he at? I have a waterer. Where's my penguin? Where's Pengy at? Why don't I see a penguin anywhere on my screen? There's definitely one out. I have a penguin out. Oh, build stone pit, build crusher. Okay. Okay. Tell me why I don't see my penguin anywhere. Is he somewhere else? He's not down here somewhere, is he? That's not my penguin. Is that my penguin? I don't think so. That's not my penguin. There's my penguin. He's sleepy. He needs to go water fields. I gotta build another. He's sleeping on the ground, poor little guy. Not a very nice dad. I'm just gonna put these here for now. I'm definitely gonna move those eventually, but dude, my character's always hungry. He's got a tapeworm, I swear. He's always hungry. Right, go sleep. I kind of want to kick him to wake him up. What a jerk. Alright. Let's see here. We got... I don't want two penguins in town. Alright, so we gotta build. First, we gotta eat because I'm fat. Alright, so now we're gonna go build. We need to build. What did it say we need to build? I need. Oh, a stone pit. So I'm sure we're gonna need more stone that I don't have, and that's gonna be under production. Oh, I need stone and wood. Oh, sheesh. If only I had a way to generate more wood. Like, I'm too lazy to do it by himself. Oh, it's just out of reach. I feel like I should get fiber out of berry bushes, right? Not, not this. But hey, whatever. I want to overdo it. Well, you know what? I need to check his. There we go. Oh, how do I not have enough stone? Ooh, a legendary book. Ooh, ancient parts. What does this do? I need that legendary book though. I'm definitely gonna use that. Ooh, precious belts. Oh, it was from the legendary guy I just killed. Okay. Well, not killed, but captured. Starting to feel a little hot, guys. Hope to God I'm not getting another fever tonight. He's watering by himself over there now. Good, good, good. I'm going to put this on the rocks. It's kind of cool. Makes sense to be on the rock, right? Wood and stone. How do I assign somebody to the wood? Yeah, let's fix Foxy. Don't even know what that does, but hey, whatever. This seems horrible. There's got to be like a better way. You got to be able to assign. Is it up here? We can say assign them right to the. Oh my gosh. Set work mode. Set work preferences, fixed management. Alright, so
User joined your channel.
I want oh, none of these guys can do that. None of these guys can do the ranch. Except those. This is so those two. We can do the stone pit. We do logging. Okay, I just need to get rid of these jacket. This one right here, he's going away. I'm putting him away. He's getting stuff back in the box. Sweet. Which one did I just say? Oh, that's kind of annoying. You don't see which one is which. So we want C. So go to C. Those two are in there. So which one's not there? Okay, that one right there. So we want. Oh, it doesn't matter. We'll just go like this. We'll go. He's eating. I know that's him. You go away, and we're gonna bring this guy out. Okay, so if I bring him out, I should be able to see and drop. Okay, I got it. So he can be on the sandbags. He can do anything. So let's see. Can he do the stoning? He can't. He can't do the logging, stoning. I don't care about that. Put him there, I guess. He can be my defense guy. I don't need defenses right now. Let's do. What does this guy do? Or, yeah, what's this one? What's the male do? Oh, I need arrows. Let's go get some arrows, and then I'm gonna go after the. I gotta find some guys from like mining. Let's do this. Arrows. I don't need fire arrows, do I? Nah. All right, now. Let's do 30. It's 10 per stack, so let's do 30 arrows, and that should be enough. And then I just gotta go get what's his name, my stone worker, and a lumber worker. So which ones do I need? It probably tells me in the guide, I guess, right? Some more arrows. Alright, and then what else do I need to build? Oh, actually, I need a grinder. I still gotta build a grinder, right? Yeah, I gotta build that thing. So I need lots of stone, lots of wood. I probably don't need them to do that for me, right? I can still do this myself. Probably just to the point where I need it. Okay, so let's do. Okay, let's do. Don't need storage yet. Herbal's doing this thing. Oh, I forgot to grab my ammo. I just made ammo and I forgot it. Okay. He can water, but he can't. He can't do shit with fire. Oh my. They tore them up. I didn't mean for them to die. I didn't mean for that to happen. He's super powerful. I mean, I don't know if he's super powerful, but it's pretty powerful. It's level 13. I'm not there yet.
User joined your channel.
I don't need another Clovey. Oh Jesus, that's all that's up here is Clovies. What's that? I don't even know what that one does. Another boss, level 13. Okay. So we don't want to do the boss missions yet, right? Alright, hold on a second. Just 1 second, guys. I have to debug something really quick. I might show it to you. Alright, let me show you what's going on here. Alright, so this is... All right, so I want to add one more thing onto this. So additional product requirement. We do not want the user to manually organize or label accounts. After successful Eve SSO, simply display the connected characters' names exactly as returned by CCP. The user may connect as many users as they want. Operations select which connected characters participate in inventory calculations. Also, require every operation to have a build. I say I got a couple more things I still got to do tonight. Ugh. We should not talk. So yeah, I haven't implemented Sprint 11 yet. So Sprint 11. Okay. Let me just refresh this real quick. I gotta rebuild. Okay. Pellsbury. It's a mega, right?
Yeah.
That's what I need for the rocks, Grumpus.
User joined your channel.
He's way too powerful. Clovey's like super powerful, bro. I need to put him away, actually.
Yeah.
I actually didn't want to fight him. Oh, I'm in trouble. Fine. Bye, bitch. actually think my one dude can kill him. I'm pretty sure. Dude, I thought he was a rock guy. He's definitely not a rock guy.
User joined your channel.
Sound check.
Yep, yep.
Yay!
I mean, no, can't hear you.
Makes sense.
How's your day going, bud?
Oh, it's okay. How are you?
I'm alright. Doing okay. Kind of relaxing now.
See, now you get to freely join us and hear, us never talk.
Sweet.
Anybody do anything exciting today?
There was some pew-pew.
I had to get my Sec Plus again because apparently all my other certs don't fucking matter.
Search for what, I'm sorry?
Security Plus.
Oh, I'm in the process of doing that shit right now.
Oh, fun.
Yeah,
you-
I have like a whole bunch that are way higher than that, but they're like, oh, you need Security Plus according to the recruiter. Bro, I've got like GCIH and GCFE and like a whole bunch of other IAT level
Yeah.
3s.
Right.
Like, but
Is it for the government?
maybe.
Get a SysP, and they would still want you to have Sec Plus.
Dude,
Yeah.
I worked. I don't work there anymore, so it doesn't matter. But I worked at Mantech with a TS SCI clearance, and yeah, you had to have all that crap, and I didn't. It was so dumb. It's like, why?
Yeah. With all of it, then they're like, "Oh, you still need Sec Plus." What? I let that lapse on because I wasn't gonna pay the 150 for the continuing education. Now I'm like stupid because I had to pay $400 to take the test again.
They would pay for all those for me. I work at Rocket Mortgage now. I'm a mortgage banker there, so I don't need that kind of stuff. But I have 17 state tests that I have to take every year. It's so annoying, and I think they equivalent to about like 15 grand, and Rocket pays for them. Imagine having to pay for those every year, though.
Hey, hiring? I just got laid off. That's why I had to pay for it.
Absolutely, and we are definitely hiring IT folks, and you can work remote. What state are you in?
Northern Virginia,
Okay.
DC.
Tell you what. DM me and I'll give you my real work referral. Give me your resume if you don't mind, and I'll shoot it in.
I'm gonna DM you too.
Sure, absolutely, guys. I don't mind at all.
Yeah.
I just to let you know, I'm off work until August. I'm on medical leave, but I will absolutely get it to a recruiter this week, like on Monday or Tuesday.
I've been off work for almost 2 years.
Okay, that's all right. I mean,
Or over 2.
what do you do? What's your?
Oh, I haven't even stepped foot in AI. I'm like not even beginner yet.
Okay.
I only have a bachelor's degree. That's it. In
Nope,
cybersecurity.
that-
I don't know.
That's
it.
perfect. That's perfect. They're not looking even for degrees. I mean, there's a lot of positions here that you can get into that an associate's degree is fine. I have a bachelor's in software engineering, and I'm a mortgage banker. So go figure.
Nice. Yeah, I'm currently in boot camps right now. So like,
Okay.
I just finished my Network Plus boot camp, so I'm waiting for them to say, "Up, here's your voucher to take the test."
Yeah. Do that one, and then do your Security Plus.
Yeah, and now I'm in Security Plus. My Security Plus boot camp started last week.
Professor Messer has a really good one to pass the test. You're not gonna.
Oh, you fucking Professor Messer is awesome, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Go through his courses. You're guaranteed to pass.
Yeah.
I haven't heard that in years.
He's still there. He's still out there, bud. He's got good stuff.
Hey, it's Saber talking, right?
Yep.
Fucking, I'm on the treadmill just watching fucking Professor Messer and shit. I'm like, okay, yeah, let's get this knowledge.
Send you my LinkedIn. Is that good?
Yeah, that's fine. Give me 1 second. Are you on Discord?
I am.
All right, let me find you on Discord, and I will. Is your in-game name your Discord name?
No, actually. Well,
okay,
it is on the slides. Yeah, I am on Slice.
Fig, are you prior military?
Negative. I just work with military a lot,
Got it.
so I picked up all the jargon.
The only reason why I ask because there's a lot of fucking programs out there for veterans and shit.
Yeah,
IT.
for sure.
Yeah. I actually live very close to Port Belvoir. You guys know
yeah.
where that is.
Yeah, I was Army.
Because like I was saying, like there's Voc Rehab and there's this new thing. It's like it's called like Tech something 2.0, and they pay for that shit. They pay for all of it. They only approve like 4,000 people a year, but they'll pay for your shit if you're a veteran and stuff.
Okay, I didn't get a message from anybody in TeamSpeak or in Discord.
Okay, one sec.
I'll send you a message. I wasn't expecting anything at all. I was
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Yeah, I was like, yeah, I can. I was like, oh, you do have open. Okay.
I sent it in TeamSpeak
Yep.
because I can't find you in Discord.
That's okay. All right, let me message you real quick on LinkedIn. I have not updated my resume in a while, so ignore some of that stuff in there.
I have to make a LinkedIn too. Yeah, I just been waiting. Like, I don't know what's going on in my university. They're taking forever to send me my fucking degree, even the digital copy of it. Even though I graduated in fucking May.
Is your clearance active right now?
Nah, it's inactive. It's been over 10 years.
You know, it's funny how many people in our alliance are in the same world.
Well, of course.
It's kind of funny. I mean, it's really funny, actually. Okay, why can't I respond to your message to me? I just sent you, oh, there we go.
I always wanted to get into it, but then I didn't have time, and then I ended up getting a lot of time. I was like, I'm going back to school. Fuck this.
So, not that I would try to get you not to come join my company. I love my company. Have you ever heard of a company called Mantech?
I might have. I know I poked around everywhere. I was like, sending shit, looking at shit, but I think a lot of things I see is very discouraging because it's like, oh, entry level help desk. I'm like,
So-
yeah, great. That's
so-
what I want to be.
So there's a trick to any job you want to get that's either a GS job or a contractor job. So to have you on the books to get you paid, your resume has to match the job description. If you get into a position, because sometimes they'll just hire you without it, but what you do is you redo your resume to match the job description that you're trying to apply for. It's not fake, it's actually real. They really want you to do that. I had to sit with my entire team and I had to redo every single person's resume on my team. Well, I mean, they did it, but I had to like coach them on what to say. I like had to like copy and paste everything. And this was back years ago, before this was pre-2012, so the internet wasn't the same as it is now. So I had to like literally get this description that the government wanted every one of our employees to have, and then every position under me I had to like have them rebuild the resumes, and it took like a week to get some of these knuckleheads through their stuff.
Yeah, because some of that shit is scanned by AI now. If you don't have the right, like,
The verbiage,
wording,
yeah.
or, yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna just kick you out.
Yep.
Now they've changed it a little bit. Now you get to opt in or opt out to be scanned by AI, but you don't know if that's happening or not.
I honestly, if it's a government requirement and I need them to say something, like it needs to be specific. I'm not saying I wouldn't sift through a resume, but if it doesn't match, I'll probably reach out to them if they're a strong candidate and say, hey, I need this to be updated. Or for the most part though, I'll probably just, I wouldn't really look through them.
Yeah.
Not a secondary time.
I know the government just launched. Let me see if I can find this link. Entry level, like it's paid internship. And I was like, that's great. I'm gonna apply for that. You know, just to get anything.
Yeah.
Even my buddy in the Air Force just hit me up. He's like, yeah, you know, work with all these different. He sells ID products and network security and shit to
Nice.
people. And he's like, yeah, the issue where people are getting it in the contract level is the government doesn't want to pay. I was like, I don't care how much you pay me. I just want to get the experience. I said, well, we'll see what we can do for you. Old cigar member club person when I used to run a cigar club.
I'm in a cigar club here locally. Well, it's a cigar
Nice.
lounge, but I mean,
Nice,
yeah.
Yeah, ours was ours is like doesn't exist at all. Even on the fucking map, it doesn't exist like at all. You have to be invited by another cigar member, and then you get interviewed.
So I mean, it's not the same because there was also a store, but at Fort Hood, off of Fort Hood, in a place called Harker Heights, just like it's like 3 miles down the road, 3 or 4 miles down the road. An old sergeant major, he started up a cigar store, where you could buy cigars, but in the back, it was a cigar lounge. You had to be a member, and they couldn't sell alcohol there, but there was a full stocked bar that you bring your own bottles. You can either put them in your locker or you can put them on the shelf. Now there's an advantage if you put them on the shelf. What would happen is you would find a lot of like-minded individuals who have the same taste that you do, and you put a sticker on it. Either it's open for anybody to drink, or you just put your own little private sticker on there. What would happen is I would bring a bottle in there. I would put my sticker on there, and it would be like, I would drink, a sip out of it, whatever. It would go down to like half or something. Next thing I know, there's a brand new bottle with my sticker back on there. Same stuff. So yeah, and I thought that was pretty neat. That was my favorite place ever, but I moved back to Michigan. And
We have something like we're at with the club that I manage. We had something like that. Like it's a full bar. We have liquor, everything. Can have food because it's a restaurant. It's actually a restaurant group. They own like 55 restaurants.
oh wow.
But the lot has 4 restaurants in that just together. So but then there's a private room, and you can't get in because it's all biometrics. And then there's an armed guard at the door.
What?
Yeah, it's like we have high profile people. We get athletes, we get politicians, we get lawyers. I've met like Ray Lewis 1,000 times. If anyone in Maryland met the fucking dumbass governor Westmore, he's annoying as a fuck. But you pay for privacy. You have people bringing their mistresses in and shit like that. We have private rooms. We have a poker table, so anything happens in the poker room happens in the poker room.
Poker.
Yeah.
Am I right? Yeah.
They have their own little bottle. They only have their own like humidifier or whatever to put their cigars in. Every year we'll gift them a bottle through the distributors or liquor distributors. Sometimes they'll get like some high like dollar pappy or some shit, some type of bourbon or another whiskey or another scotch or some shit.
Our place is not at all that fancy. The place I go to, there are absolutely famous people, athletes, all that kind of stuff there. Quite a bit, as a matter of fact.
Yeah,
but
it was great. You get to meet these spoiled little people, and they don't like the word fucking no, and they don't understand doesn't how much money you have. Get the fuck out.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I remember this one dude. He was the former CFO of Exelon, I think. It was an big energy company. But he got fired because of some stupid shit, and he didn't pay his membership dues. You can't come in, dude. You haven't paid in 2 years. Pay your dues, you can come in. No, I'm fine. I'm friends with the owner. Well, tell the owner to call me. Threatened to fire me. I'm like, you're not the first one. Been threatened by many athletes that you're gonna get fired.
My wife manages a hotel, but the restaurant and the bar portion of the hotel she's at, it's called the Kingsley here in Detroit. And that just recently happened to her, and they banned that guy. He thought he thought his shit didn't stink, and they were like, nope, you're gone. And he's like, do you know who I am? Well, everybody knows who you are, and you're still not welcome here. You can't threaten an employee. You just can't do that. Because they won't serve you. That's just retarded.
Yeah, we had that plenty of times. Like, oh, I know the owner, and I'm rich and shit now. Now, sometimes they do get away with some things. Like we have like a part of that. It's also a speakeasy.
Oh, nice. Yep, love
They
those.
don't. Yeah, but like the thing is, um, who was it? I can't. Carmelo Anthony. He loves to come visit, but he wants wine service in a speakeasy. But none of those people, those the mixologist people, you want to call them, whatever,
Yeah,
they don't sell wine. They don't know anything about wine.
right.
But we have to go into the other restaurants to go get those bottle stuff for them. I don't know if you guys like with Maryland law with liquor license. It's very very strict. The liquor license is attached to the property.
Right. Yeah, that's how it is in Michigan too.
So the cool thing is they consider that whole lot one liquor license, so you can spread it all the liquor across all the properties. So we're allowed to grab whatever bottles we want.
Yeah. Yeah, in Michigan, they're grandfathered to the property, so like, you can have like a restaurant there that doesn't serve alcohol, and then the next owner, if he wants to, they can still get their liquor license reapproved.
Oh, nice. It was a nice little gig. I met a lot of people. I still talk to them. Like one dude, I think he was like, he's a former ranger, but then he got into cybersecurity, has his own business, but he's based out of Japan. He's like, look, you ever get your security plus, hit me up, but you're going to Japan. I'm like, all right, that'd be great.
That's funny.
But I think I kind of did things backwards. I was like, I want to get my degree, and then my buddy, he works for like Northern Gundam or whatever.
And Northrop, yeah.
Yeah, and like he's been there for like 20 plus years. And he was like, yeah, you gotta get security. You need to get your search. You're not getting anywhere unless you get your security plus.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter.
I would tell anybody who's getting a degree in any kind of IT field, get your certs while you're getting your degree.
Yeah.
Because as soon as you get done, you're gonna have to get those certs.
Oh yeah.
Those certs are in for like contracting are worth more than the degree. In fact, we don't even care about your degree.
Yeah, that's why I told like when I had to fly back to Maryland and just did the whole ceremony for my family.
Yeah.
And I was like, guys, I'm like, look, this degree is worthless to me because it does not. It's great. It might get me higher positions in the future.
Yeah.
But it won't get me the job.
Yep.
The certs are the jobs.
Yeah, the position that I was in at Mantech, I did not have my bachelor's degree yet, but I was really, really close. And my program manager was like, "When do you graduate?" And I was like, "I'm literally graduating while I'm on this trip for us in New York." He's like, "Well, when you come back, you're getting promoted." And I became the base commander at Fort Wainwright, Alaska,
Nice.
for all of the 617 aviation. Basically every unit except the 539 transportation. That's just because their hand receipt is just too big. It has to have one person just for that. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So I had all the infantry units, the cab units, the aviation unit.
Yeah, I would like have these little arguments with my fucking academic advisors when I was in school. I was like, guys, I don't feel like you're teaching me anything. Like, I don't feel it. Like, I don't think I can pass any fucking cert with the materials you're teaching me. Plus, I mean, you're not even teaching me. You're only telling me what I've read.
Yeah. I think
boot camp shit's great.
Yeah, I was gonna say I think the old way of teaching in general just doesn't work. Honestly, if you've looked into the AI approach for like the way classes are being taught, is super strong. No, we just got to be careful on what it's teaching, but I mean, it's no worse than teachers that teach their political propaganda. You know what I mean? So,
Oh, yeah.
in a sense, I feel that the way where AI is going in teaching is a lot smoother. And I'm a huge fan of AI, so
Oh yeah. I have all the quiz tests I take. I upload it into AI, and then I'm like, hey, make this shit harder, and then redo the questions and send it to me, and I'll just quiz off of that.
oh
Or
yeah.
I'll do quizzes every day. I'll redo the quizzes I already took and see what just to keep getting. I have to make sure I get like 3 10s, or 10's like the max number, and I'm like, all right, I'm done for today. I don't need to learn this module no more.
Actually, I write apps for AI. I'm actually building an operating system for AI right now. Because one of the biggest problems with AI right now is that, let's say you're doing large projects, the continuity is just not there. So I built basically a memory so that you could go from any AI to any other AI, or even within the same. Like if you go to Claude, or if you go to ChatGPT, whatever the case may be, you can go from one conversation to the next conversation, and it will retain all of the data that you had on the projects. So I built that. That's almost ready to get released. I have a working model for myself, but now I have like a production model that I'm finishing up. I have another project. I won't get into that one. That one's not ready yet. But my other project that I'm finishing up, probably why we're talking
User
tonight,
joined your channel.
is I have one for Eve Online. And it basically, I know there's a couple programs that already do this. I don't like using them, so I'm assuming if I don't like using them, other people probably don't either. The main part of it is, if you're trying to build something, we'll assume capital ships, makes it easier for the conversation, and you're running multiple characters at once. It shows you where all of your inventory is on all of your characters, just like I don't know what. There's a piece of software that does it now, but it also has your build. So if I put in that I want to build a Titan, it will generate all of the requirement items that you need, break it down to its most granular component, and then it'll find on your accounts where you have them. And if they're within, like you can set the parameters to wherever you want. Like if I want to say 3 jumps out, 10 jumps out, 30 jumps out, whatever the case may be, it'll then generate that. And then it'll do a cost analysis and say, okay, this is how much money you should spend and buy these parts and build this versus just buying them separately based on like the jitter pricing.
Okay, yeah.
So it does all of that all at once. Instead, there's people do all of those things, but they generally use 3 different pieces of software to do it. And theirs don't look cool. Mine actually, it's got a nice GUI on it. Instead of just spreadsheets in space, you actually have an app. And that's ready to go right now. I just gotta do a couple more things.
Yeah, I know there's a few. I know like there's Jeff Assets. I think you can find anything with your shit for that.
Yep, I have that, and I hate it.
Yeah.
I literally hate it. I mean, it's great to have if you don't have anything, but I just think it's ugly. And the other one, what's the other one that people use for? I used to use it. Some British guy. It's in his name. Oh, what is the name of that tool? It's the one that people do when they're building stuff.
Oh shit! I'm trying. I think I might have not. I haven't really built anything in years. I probably haven't used it.
It's the same one that people used 10 years ago, and it has not really been updated since. I also reverse engineered Near2, so my Near2 works for me.
I loved Near2 when it was good.
Yeah, I still use it. I downloaded the other one and I tried to reverse engineer that, and I'm like, this is not good. So I was like, no, I'll just not do this, and I went back to Near2 and just fixed it for myself.
Yeah, I like Rift, but then I don't like it.
Rift, that's the one. That's the one. Yeah, I don't like that.
I used to use SMT when
Yep.
when I couldn't use Near 2
User joined your
anymore.
channel.
SMT is the other one.
There's a Newton MZ1.
There's a new where?
And
MZ1.
MZ1.
Any visual on what he's in?
No visual. People have put up bubbles at the 327 gate.
He was in a metamorphosis. He landed in the bubble and then somehow cloaked and got away from all of us.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he was like 4,000 meters away, and I was like, why can't I lock you?
I should probably actually get out of this game and finish what I was doing. I get so sidetracked.
I finally decided to pick up my PI. I was like, I need to pick this shit up.
I need to redo my PI. I haven't done my PI since we moved.
Yeah.
He said in local that he crashed.
Oh no shit. That sucks.
I don't know what he means by empty on the second thing.
Maybe
Good.
his hull is empty. He's probably trying to say, "Don't fuck with me." But let that motherfucker die.
Yeah, he's Russian. That's Russian.
Are we still enemies with the Russians now that we're Chinese? Aren't we Chinese now?
In cyberspace, we're in real world you mean or in Eve?
I mean, Eve, we're Chinese, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, I don't.
I don't know. You have to
He's
remove so
nude.
many times.
He's nude. I know that. So he's nude.
Oh no, I can't be playing this song right now. Oh no, that's good. Oh yeah, let me get out of here. Yeah, I stopped even building ships right now because I've been so focused on this program that I was like, okay, I don't want to build any. So I've just been like doing tests. So I've been like, stop building.
Like, I want to get back into it, but like, I mean, it's been. I stopped making shit when they introduced moons, moon mining.
Oh yeah, yeah. That made me mad. Not gonna lie. So I was a 10-man, 10 Roracle operation. And I did all my own mining. I built every component myself, built a Titan all by myself. Like, that's how I did it. I had no help outside of my... Oh, I'm about to die here.
It just... When they changed the blueprints, and then, like... You had to add the reactions, and of course, like, the big issues at the time, like... The alliance I was part of, or the coalition I was part of, didn't know what they were going to do with moons, so I didn't know I would even have access to the moons.
Yeah, and the moons were drama for a while too, so I was done. I was like, you know what? I'm not building shit no more.
Yeah, the only thing I've made throughout the years is just fuel blocks. Like, that's it. I'm like, alright, that's easy to make, fuel blocks.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about, you know, someone owning anything.
Yeah. But then I was just like, okay, the PI is not really that bad, and you can actually make good money off PI. And then I was like, reactions are really not that bad. Even if I don't even have a moon, I can just go buy the stuff.
Oh yeah.
And now, like, our jumps from jitter are simple. So like, get the fuck out of here! I keep saying I'm gonna get out of here.
I just gotta get like a routine going of picking them up and dropping them off. It's just
Well,
it's getting lazy.
when my app is ready, you'll use it and you'll love it. It'll simplify it for you. Tell you where you need to put your blueprints, even on what tunes. Do you play with more than one tune?
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're perfect. Yep, you're gonna love it.
And when I run my PI, I have like 78 planets.
Yeah. Yep, I don't know that I had 78. I actually had overhang on my characters. So like it was just like making extra parts for shit that I didn't even really need.
Oh yeah. Like with mine, like I was just at that time. I was mass producing just field blocks, so everything was geared towards field blocks, and like all I had to do is just keep mining ice to keep up. Now I'm making nothing but P2. That's it. Every P2 module I'm making.
I need
Ravworks. You're thinking of Ravworks.
Radworks.
No,
No, it's
RAV.
fuzzy. It's fuzzy something. Fuzzy Works.
Okay.
Fuzzy Works was the original. Radworks. I think Radworks. The thing about that is it still uses Fuzzy's API. But yeah, let me see here real quick. Yeah, fuzzwork.co.uk. That's the original. Like, there's probably 10 different since then systems that still use. Like, Ravworks is one of them. Yeah, it says right here. Its functionality is inspired by the other tools like FuzzyWorks, Blueprint Calculator, blah, blah, blah. And if you look into it, it actually uses. It's the same thing. Actually, I better look at theirs before I post mine to see. Oh yeah, theirs is just another enter list of products, copy paste. Mine, you don't have to do that. You can if you want to. If you don't want to put your add your SSO in, but it's just another thing you have to do. And this, yep, this one here it is. Yep, it still uses FuzzyWorks. Blueprint calculator in there. I like his support me though. Support me, buy me a coffee, and gain currency. I'll have to add that to mine.
Buy me a beer.
Yeah. All right.
But yeah, I told my wife, I'm like, yeah, I'll probably get a job by next year. I mean, no matter what, we're good. It's just when working in the restaurant, I was working like 60 hours, and we had our son. So I was like, all right, let me look at the finances, pull out the books. And I was like, all right, guess what? Either you guys need to change my hours so I can actually like spend time with my new son, or I have to leave. They couldn't figure it out, so I said, fuck it, I want to spend time with my son.
I will say,
Shift.
actually will say that RevWorks workflow is pretty good. It's very, very linear. Choose build, calculate tree, assign jobs, profit, done. I kind of like that. I might have to make a little bit of an adjustment on mine. This is what his doesn't do. It says I own this component, but it's 31 jumps away. Or character A owns this, character B owns this. Mine allows you to see everything on everybody. So this is kind of where mine goes. So let's say I'm doing a rev. I got coverage. It's at 82%. What's blocking? Say capital armor plates. Location 6 jumps away. Blueprint owned. Character blah blah blah. X, Y, and Z. Or it'll recommend buying the parts versus the cost. So it'll analyze all that and say, okay, so the cost of these are actually cheaper to build the parts. Because sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes ore and the minerals cost more than the actual part does. So it's like one of those things where, oh, I can buy it from somebody else. Yeah, I don't like his code, but I like his workflow. I'm going to steal the workflow, I think, a little bit.
User left your channel. Oh, sorry guys. I got caught up talking about my product and somebody else's product that I forgot. I was playing a game. I'm sorry about that. With that being said, I am going to stop the stream of the game. I'm actually going to get back into the programming because now I'm motivated because I just saw somebody else's product and it made me change my workflow a little bit.
So if I'm going to change my workflow, I got to get working on that. So let me switch this out. Actually, I tried doing that earlier. I forgot how to actually exit the game. Let's go. Return to title. That's how we do it. All right. Let's quit game. All right, let me switch this out. I'm gonna switch this real quick. I'll be right